Hi, welcome to Clayton Middle School's Media Center Library. My name is Miss Rhodes and I'm the librarian. At Clayton Middle School, I work with over 800 students a day. I teach classes anywhere from blogging to Web 2.0 skills. This is Clayton's main website. This is where your students can access all of their work. It's on our main website, and there's a bar that says click here to access all your classwork. From here, they can access their math book, check their grades on Infinite Campus, access Teams to check their classes for homework assignments, Springboard for your English classes. We use ABC Clio and EBSCO to do research in the library online. We have Zoom directions if you need that. Lexia Power Up is used for reading support, so students should be working on Lexia every week. Mayan is reading support as well. Turnitin.com, that's where your students will turn in all of their written English papers. We also have some links to different audiobooks, different digital books on these 4 links, or 5 links. Dreambox is for math support if they need that. Right here, they can log into their student email. With their email, they're logged in with their student ID at washoeschools.org and their password. If they cannot log in, there's a password reset button on our main website where they can request a password reset. But from here, they should be able to download Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Microsoft Word, anything they need to do homework. They also have their Spanish book here. This is their music assignments, and then they have an art book here. The rest of the apps on here are used for mostly fun and digital projects that we do in the library. So lots of digital projects, portfolios. We do lots of video recording. Clever, they can access most of these apps if they need to get to Clever. And we also have a scientific calculator here and a graphing calculator if they need it. So those are some apps that could be useful for students. We also collaborate and curate resources with teachers. We want to plan lessons that are supportive, engaging, project-based, and of course, focus on the 21st century. We co-teach lessons in the library that focus on the 21st century to prepare our students to be visual learners and produce work that will help them in the 21st century. We do research and information literacy. We co-teach lessons where students research and curate their resources, save their resources, and we also do book promotion activities. We want the students to be very interested in what they're reading with high interest reads to improve their reading levels. In the library, we also have fun lessons like escape rooms, TED Talk videos. We talk about getting correct information off of the internet. We do database research, digital notebooks, blogs. We do videography, and we even do research with blogs and research with QR codes. So here's just some examples of some of the lessons in the library. In the library, we provide many lessons to encourage and engage students to teach the 21st century skills and digital citizenship as well. We teach classroom standards to improve their reading. And of course, we want to get as many books checked out as possible. Right now, we have 654 books checked out. That means almost every Clayton Cub has a book besides about 2 or 3 students. Classes visited so far, we've had 67 lessons up in the library. Every student should have a book and they should be reading at night to complete their 21st century project every 9 weeks in the library. Students are doing a great job at reading. We just want to make sure that they're reading every night. We just had a book fair in the library, and I want to thank everyone for attending the book fair. We finished out the book fair and made over $3,000, where all proceeds will be going towards students. We also just received a grant to buy new high interest books to teach in our English and library classes in order to help students improve their reading scores. We have the makerspace. The makerspace has lots of fun projects at lunch. This is the holiday makerspace. We make different bookmark foldables, origamis. We did Nightmare Before Christmas ornaments. And we also did a STEM light up nose gift card, which we made a little reindeer gift card. And let me move that so you can see it. And the little reindeer nose lights up once they do all of this with the STEM activity. Here are some other makerspace activities. We made keychains 2 weeks ago. They did a mosaic this week. And students are always welcome in the library at lunch, before school, after school, to work on homework, print out items, and we also have Minecraft Education Edition at lunch. Here's an example of a project students did. They did their own TED Talks with data. They made their own videos, so just different videography projects that we've been doing up in the library. And again, I encourage your students to come up at lunch, before school, and after school if they need help with their homework, if they want to read, if they have questions accessing any of the apps, we're always available. And I'm looking forward to working with all the students this year. Have a great night.